Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how can you enable voice chat in Fortnite so you can chat with your friends, online people easily, and it's pretty easy and it's not that hard. So first of all, you're going to navigate onto the top left corner and then to this voice chat. Now once you're here, you're going to find you cannot use voice chat due to your voice chat settings. Change them below. Now you can change them below, but we're going to go on to the much more detailed settings. Okay, so we're going to go on to settings and then we're going to go on this sound of volume, this sound, okay, and then we're going to navigate down all the way till voice chat. Now you can set it off to nobody. You're not going now. The voice chat is disabled, or you can make it friends only, like you're going to chat with your friends only, or your friends and teammates, okay, like your friends or teammates only, or everybody can chat with everybody, okay. Like now you have actually enabled voice chat. Now there's a voice chat method, which is basically open mic or push to talk. Push to talk means you need to push a button so you can play, so you can talk. Open mic is once you talk, everything, like your mic is going to record everything and everyone is going to be able to hear what you're saying and what is going in the background. I recommend using push to talk if you're going with if you're playing with people who are online, and open mic if you're playing with your friends. Voice chat input device must be the microphone you're using. Okay, voice chat output device must be the speakers that you're using. Other than that, now you have voice chat activated. Thank you. And there's also a preferred channel, which is, as you can see, once you're playing with your friends, make it party, so you're not going to change the channel to the game channel. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, see you later.